Yeah, really, yeah. And you don't, so what did that feel like? You know, you think all of this. I just lost myself in that moment of what do they think? But they didn't think anything. They thought it was like, how horrible the dress is, or you know, how it was very self-centered. So I really needed and woke up with people that I hadn't even it was the most amazing. And then my life, I look at it as such that feeling of, gee, I'm not at the front of the line, at the back of the line, and my dress is the gorgeous one. I'm not the one that everybody's saying.
Garrett.
It was total, yeah. Were you ever afraid of getting older? I wasn't, but one thing is, I'm a mother. And my model was a woman very comfortable in her age. She was an accounting major, like consider possibly. You know, I
Garrett.
usually do television series once, but she was cool. 4 years old, my present. And I was hold the roll, please. Could you get the turning? That's lines on your neck. And, you know, you just assume that that bullet in the closet rather than someday you've got people. So I did, you know, I did a long time ago. You learn it's terrifying to look at yourself on that constant screen, especially people are fantasizing about you at 28. And blah, blah, blah. I think that in many cases it's a terrific thing to do. Some people's whole lives change because they look in the mirror and feel better about themselves. But I think we live in a time where people are just insanely subject of how they look. And they look homogenous, ridiculous. My least favorite being that duck lip look. It's so prevalent. Everybody's got their look. So it's gross.
Good
I don't
clapping.
I can't imagine why anybody would want to kiss that thing. Yeah. So I think that it's again balance, you know? It's balance. So do you find now, we were talking earlier about how it's so hard to do the thing that you know you should be doing for yourself. Do you balance yourself well? I'm trying every day. And some days